Hi. In this video, you will learn how to detangle and nourish your hair with natural and effective sweet almond oil treatment. This treatment will help you to achieve silky and healthy looking hair. Take 1/4 cup of sweet almond oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1/4 cup of distilled water. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and wash your hairs before apply it. Once your hair is fully saturated, comb through it with a wide tooth comb to help detangle your hair. Leave the treatment on your hair for 30 minutes to an hour. Rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water. It is recommended to use this hair treatment once a week for best results. Click the link in the description below to save a printable recipe card for future use. Thanks for watching.